హాయ్ ఐమ్ ప్రకాష్. ప్రస్తుతం ఉన్న కాలంలో చిన్నపిల్లలకి చాలా రకాల వ్యాధులు వస్తూ ఉంటున్నాయి. సో ఈ కాలంలో ప్రతి ఒక్క 35 చిన్నపిల్లల్లో ఒకరికి ఆటిజం అనే వ్యాధి సోకుతుంది. సో ఆటిజం అంటే ఏంటి, దాన్ని ఎలా గుర్తించాలి, ఎలాంటి జాగ్రత్తలు పడాలి, తల్లిదండ్రులు ఎలా చూసుకోవాలి చిన్నపిల్లల్ని అని ఒకసారి డాక్టర్ సుమన్ సరాఫ్ గారిని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం.
Autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder which is characterized by non-verbal communication. They are unable to communicate. They are unable to give eye contact. They are very hyperactive. They don't stay at one place. Restlessness is there. They are unable to detox. A lot of problems are there which are underlying causes. And because of this, the kids are unable to speak, unable to communicate with normal people. They want to live alone. They have a lot of gut dysbiosis and mitochondrial dysfunctioning. Because of that, these kids get in trouble and they scream and shout. We had established in 2017 Madhav Autism Foundation, which was under the guidance of Lokayut Sir Sri Subhasan Reddy ji. And from that time, we are doing awareness yearly twice on autism on 14th November Children's Day and 2nd April on World Autism Awareness Day. And generally, the symptoms starts in 18 months, but autism starts before that only. But people are unable to identify. Because of that, they are unidentified and early intervention is not given to them. And second thing is that acceptance by the parents is very less. They don't want to accept that autism is something which their kids are having. And a lot of awareness is needed to create in autism, because in India autism was very less. Nowadays it has been too much means in so many children. After lockdown it has increased a lot. For the parents to be taken is that they shouldn't give packed food to the children, and only homemade food, especially no aluminum utensils to be given, no sweet things, no sour things. Avoid GFCF food, means gluten free and casein free. Gluten means wheat and casein means milk products. Give them a lot of vegetables and a lot of pulses, so that they need protein. Avoid non-veg, because with non-veg they get constipated. Early identification symptoms are that in 3 months. Yes, so I will.